Move aimed at safeguarding its assets from being seized by creditors, Virgin Atlantic has filed for Chapter 15 bankruptcy. Through the filing, the Virgin Atlantic says it has negotiated a deal with stakeholders for injection of fresh capital, which will steer it away from deepening financial headwinds. In May, Virgin Atlantic restructured, slashing 3,000 jobs and closed its base in London's Gatwick Airport to consolidate operations at the Heathrow Airport. The airline also retired its iconic Boeing 747-400 fleet as a cost containment measure. In July, Virgin Atlantic secured a £1.2 billion rescue package from private funds designed to keep the airline flying as aviation industry struggles to pick up from the slump in international travel.